Hello everyone, welcome back to Mathematics Adda channel. Now today in the part 7 video of trigonometry of class 10, let us look at the all problems of exercise 11.4. So first question, evaluate the following 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Okay, so now let us solve. Tan theta I am writing as sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta, we know that is the reciprocal of cos theta, so 1 by cos theta we can write into 1 plus cot theta is equal to cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta we can write the cosecant theta. Why? Because they are reciprocals. So here if you simplify you will get cos theta into 1 cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 into, here if you simplify you will get sin theta into 1 sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay, and if you observe clearly, first of all let us write together cos theta into sin theta. Why? Because multiplication is there, we can combine cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. If you observe the numerator, it is in the form of, if you consider this as a plus b into a minus b. So in the place of a, cos theta plus sin theta is there. We know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So cos theta plus sin theta, that is a square minus, in the place of b what we have 1. So that is 1 square by cos theta sin theta. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1 is there into, by cos theta by sin theta. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Yes, this 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So what is left? 2 cos theta into sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Here cos theta sin theta get cancelled. The answer is 2. Now let us solve the second one. It is in the form of a plus b whole square and this is in the form of a minus b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Why? Because in the a plus b whole square we will get a square plus b square plus 2ab, and here a square plus b square minus 2ab. This 2ab and this minus 2ab get cancelled. You will get a square twice and b square twice, that is 2 times of a square plus b square. So that is sin 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know that sin square theta cos square theta value is 1. So 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. Now let us look at this. We know that secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta into cosecant square minus 1 is cot square theta. Here tan and cot are reciprocal, so you will get 1 as the answer. Now let us look at the next question. Second question, show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now let us take the LHS and let us try. So cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So we know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So I am writing the same, cosecant square theta plus cot square theta minus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. So I am writing cosecant square theta as 1 by sin square theta. Why? Because cosecant theta and sin theta are reciprocal. So I am writing 1 by sin square theta plus cot square theta. Similarly I am writing as cos square theta by sin square theta minus this cosecant theta I am writing as 1 by sin theta, and cot theta I am writing as cos theta by sin theta. So I am taking sin square theta common in the denominator. I am writing common denominator. So here you will get 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 into 1 into cos theta, that is 2 cos theta. And if you observe carefully here, this one we can write it as 1 plus whole square. So that is, it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can write it as 1 plus cos theta, sorry 1 minus cos theta whole square. Why? Because 1 square plus cos theta square minus 2 cos theta into 1, that is 2 cos theta, and this is sin square theta. So 1 minus cos theta whole square I am writing as it is, and this sin square theta we can write it as 1 minus cos square theta. Why? Because from the trigonometric identity sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square. So this 1 minus cos square we can write it as 1 square minus cos square. So this is in the form of a square minus b square again. So we can write a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. So I am writing the same. Numerator is as it is. This denominator I am writing as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here 1 minus cos theta square is there, so square, and here 1 minus cos theta get cancelled. So you will get 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, which is our required RHS. So what we can say? LHS is equal to RHS. Now let us look at the next questions. Third question, show that root over 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A. So now let us solve this. 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Okay, I'm multiplying with the 1 plus sin A, both numerator and denominator. So what will you get here in the numerator place? 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, you will get 1 plus sin A whole square by, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Square root is there, so write square root. This is right as it is, 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square theta, we can write it as cos square, so cos square A. So here square is there, here square is there. If you remove the numerator and denominator squares, then you can remove the square root. So that is 1 plus sin A by cos A. And if you write separately, 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. We know that 1 by cos A is secant A plus sin A by cos A is tan A. That is equal to RHS. So we have got LHS is equal to RHS completed. Now let us look at the fourth question. 1 minus tan square A I am writing as it is, by cot square A we can write 1 by tan square A. Why? Because cot and tan are reciprocal, minus 1. I am taking LHS only. Okay. So 1 minus tan square A, if you simplify the denominator, you will get 1 minus tan square A by tan square A. This is the denominator fraction. And the denominator fraction becomes reciprocal, that is 1 minus tan square A into tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. And if you observe here, 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A get cancelled, you will get tan square A, that is RHS. So now let us look at the fifth question. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. It is very simple problem. So take LHS. So this cos theta, if you simplify, 1 minus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta by cos theta. 1 minus cos square theta, we can write it as sin square theta. And the denominator is cos theta, so write by cos theta. Sin square theta I am writing as sin theta into sin theta. Can we write? And I am writing cos theta as denominator. So this we can write it as sin by cos theta, we can write it as tan theta into sine theta. Our answer is completed. Now let us look at the next questions. Sixth question, simplify secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. Okay, so now secant A into 1, secant A minus secant A into sin A, secant A into sin A into secant A plus tan A. Secant A minus secant A, we can write it as 1 by cos A into sin A. So that is into secant A plus tan A. Secant A, write as it is, this sin by cos we can write it as tan A and into secant A plus tan A. If you observe this carefully, secant A same is there and tan A same is there, but minus is there and here plus is there. That means A minus B into A plus B. We know that A square minus B square, that is secant square A minus tan square A. And we also know that the trigonometric identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So our answer is 1. Now let us look at the next question. This is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. So which is again A square minus B square. So 1 square minus cos square theta. Next 1 plus cot square theta I am writing as cos square theta by sin square theta. This we can simplify. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Why? Because sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Now if you simplify this, sin square into 1 sin square theta plus this cos square theta whole by sin square theta. Here sin square theta get cancelled and sin square theta plus cos square theta we know that is 1. So the answer is 1. And let us look at the seventh question. Prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So now this is in the form of A plus B whole square and this is also in the form of A plus B whole square. Now let us apply the A plus B whole square formula. So that is sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 into sin A into cosecant A. Next this one cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 into cos A into secant A. This sin A and cosecant are reciprocal, so if you multiply you will get the product as 1. And here also cos A and secant A are the reciprocal, so if you multiply you will get as 1. And here sin square A plus cos square A you will get as 1. So I am writing together these sin square A plus cos square A. Okay, and this you will get as 2 and this also you will get as 2, and what is left? Cosecant square A plus secant square A is left. So now sin square cos square is 1 and these already 2 are there, so write 5 plus cosecant square A plus secant square A. That is 5 plus cosecant is nothing but 1 plus cot square theta. We can write 1 plus cot square theta. Secant we can write it as 1 plus tan square theta. So now add all the numbers. 5 plus 1 you will get 7 tan square theta plus cot square theta, which is equal to RHS. Now let us look at the next question. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? If you observe carefully, what is given? Secant theta plus tan theta is given, and what not given? Secant theta minus tan theta. And we know that secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta, that is A plus B into A minus B, that is a square minus b square, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 according to the trigonometric identity. So now we are going to apply that same identity for this. So we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So that is secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So a square minus b square is there. So I am writing a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to 1. And secant theta plus tan theta we have got as p. So I am writing here in the place of this, I am writing here p. P into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. And we want this value, so shift to that side. So therefore secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p is the answer. Now let us look at the next question. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So generally we prove that LHS is equal to RHS, and we can also prove that RHS is equal to LHS. So for my convenience I am taking RHS value first and then I am proving RHS is equal to LHS. So RHS value is k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So we know that k value is this, so just to substitute cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 by cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. And this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So write a square, that is cosecant theta, plus b square, that is cot square theta, plus 2ab, that is 2 cosecant theta into cot theta minus 1. And here also same, cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta plus 1. So here cosecant square I am writing as 1 by sine square theta. Why? Because sine and cosecant are reciprocals. And similarly this cot square we can write it as cos square theta by sine square theta, plus this cosecant theta I am writing as 1 by sine theta. This cot theta I am writing as cos theta by sin theta, minus 1 is there, so write minus, whole by, similarly this is also same, 1 by sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta plus 2 into 1 by sin theta into cos theta by sin theta plus 1. So here if you observe, the denominators are sin square, sin into sin square. We don't have here any denominator is 1. So let us simplify. So if you simplify that, you will get sin square theta as the denominator, sin square theta, and here 1 is there. So write 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 into 1, 2 into cos theta, 2 cos theta minus sin square into 1 sin square whole by, similarly here also you will get the sin square denominator, sin square theta. So here you will get 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta plus sin square theta. So if you observe carefully here, 1 minus sin square theta, we can write it as cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta I am writing as cos square theta, and one more cos square theta is already there, so write as it is, one more cos square theta, then plus 2 cos theta by sin square get cancelled here. Okay, sin square get cancelled, and what is the remaining? 1 plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. And if you observe carefully here, this cos square theta plus this sin square theta will become 1. This 1 and this 1 you will get 2. Plus 2 cos theta is there, so write 2 cos theta as it is. So here cos square theta you will get 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. Here 2 plus 2 cos theta. If you remove that, if you take 2 cos theta common, here you will get cos theta plus 1, and here if you take 2 common, here you will get 1 plus cos theta as common. 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta get cancelled. 2 and 2 get cancelled. You will get cos theta as the answer, that is LHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS.